Hi folks, welcome to Coding World. In this video we are going to learn about functions, how to write the function in Scala. So in Java and C we have already written some functions. If you know the syntax of those functions, it will be easy for you to write a code in Scala. So in Scala, functions start with a def. Def keyword defines that this is a function. So then you have to give your function name. Function name, then you can give your input and the data type of that input and the return type of that function. Then do your whatever operation you want to do in that function. Yeah, so if this is a syntax for the function generally we use, where the function name start with a def, then our function name. If you are returning anything from that function, then unit of that return. If you are returning integer, then it will be integer. If you're returning any string, then it will be a string. So let's write as one sample function like a summation of two numbers. I will write one def, then sum of two number. Naming convention of the rating function is the same like other other object-oriented programming language such like Java. So here I am giving number one, it is an integer, then number two, it will be an integer, then I am returning int because in the end I am returning the summation of this number. Return number 1 plus num 2. So let's see, call this function and test are we getting proper result or not. Here I am passing 2 comma 3. It should return 5. So we have returned the a function for the sum of two numbers. Let's test this function by loading the Scala program. So here I am loading the colon function dot Scala. Yeah, it is. Why it is? Yes, we have some syntax error. We will correct that. Okay, equal to. Yeah, so we need to write the equal to here. So let's rerun the function. Yes, we are getting the result. So sum of two numbers where we are passing 2 and 3, we are getting the result as a 5. Like that you can write any function like returning hello world string, or if you can do the operation on any array and return the result. Array, doing the operation on the array and get the result, we will do cover that in next session where we are learning collection. Let's return string, get string, where you are passing name which is in string format, and then get result in a string. Write a function equal to return hello plus that given name. Okay, this is it. So let's call this function by passing any string like coding world. Rerun the function script. Yes, it's returning hello coding world. So we have written a proper function which returns string. So that's it for the functions. we can write as many as you want. But this is a basic syntax of the function where you have to define the def at first, then function name, and whenever we are passing the input, then we have to mention its data type. So, and whenever what you are returning from that function. That's it for the function. Thank you.